Hang on.
They go on and do the test. As soon as it was completed, they reported back to the messengers and they escorted it out of the valley area. But that there was actually the only way a common person could enter this valley and not get themselves into any type of harm. Looking in front of the vessel, up on the hillside, you're going to notice left side of the vessel here, you're going to be noticing some tall trees that's going to be lining the base of Mount Kupu. They're called the Java plum trees. They bear a little purple plum on an olive in size, edible but very tiny taste, brought in from Australia for windbreakers for sugarcane fields in the island. But if the whole setting here looks familiar, it was used in the movie Raiders of the Lost Ark with Harrison Ford. And he was running out of the cave with the item, and it needed to change one of across the big open dash one. You go on here on the left. Now no one's allowed to sit or stand along the arm railings that's going down both end of the vessel, on the separate engine compartment in the back, or the top front bow deck area with something front here. Want to take a picture up front? You may come up to the